journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey. Mamin Chiao, Naminjo Tata, and brought the Journey TV show so. This season, yeah, we Belgium. I in Ghana this year. Eba between komo ewo jumadi so. Yeah, in Ghana this year. I we Belgium maimu eba between komo. Etie omo abrabo akwantu. Enti Mr. Eya no wajibre no wahwe me. Me da bo afo ase so ma so ma say di me about all the way to Belgium for this new season. The Journey TV show. We are here to inspire. The journey, baby be obia and chakasi and come and so your sign ajibre was so near Babetrin Como and then me guest no a year, ya Abena ya this year or Belgium memo or Tunium and your nini Babetrin Como non sanano said you wouldn't dadana it was a me da a boafo as so masin Eddie before I did you media ebesha so. Mammy first that Cassie Emma gave us clean care was you obas ye fear na bibia and ye come was ye fear you know. Now the time here by Mr. Unumbia malaria bibia how be a bibia by kama. Medima for Heba Center for say or more above for Yaribia a stroke diabetes or bounty. Dear NI how unya medima for Heba Center or Koha Doctor Ebe show. None dia semba kopeno kon say a time elaso. Et ubahwa a breed also say Ubenya wa yarisa. Nyedria Heba Mr. for say so untimi nidin wo numa yebasa Mr. Unya nyedria bibia ebe boa amana ye kama. Afe ye ba ye Europe no ye nya aboafo bi a omo asoya sen na ye di dwumade April ye King Solomon African shopper ye shop say wa ha bibia ye African niam de obetimi enya bi omo ofufuo omo kontomre ba de na wo pe mesro contact King Solomon na ombetimi deliver ama bibia aye kama any love shape way and mama snatch eti hai ai obade ya no wa hyefa ha ne west trainers ne ade no. Then you keep looking sexy. It's Mr. So per se wo phone etching na wo shape ni ye kama dia any love still contacting na or mo deliver the whole world baby a wo bia no or be shippy e de April. Afe eye queenie shipping and the shipping e de me no nyina abribia ye hia pa if you say door to door near man ya na me no ye ende ai abusuafo no e send near man e ba no na je se bibia e ye kama enya no nko a se wo ye container door to door ade bia fa shipping ho de me pa cho a queenie shipping on betimi abwa ama bibia aye kama. The NAC travel consult say fa wo ho bedan no se wo Ghana ana baby a wo bia pese untu kwan on betimi abwa ma o visas ne bibia aye kama. Enti se wo pedwumaku a ebegina mu na o ticketing e ba travel ho niama dia on betimi abwa ama na ye successful a Mr. o contact dwumaku ya on betimi abwa ema bibia aye kama. Empanyefo yi ene Adom TV and in Nox TV with Knoma Entertainment and I did this season all the way from Belgium Europe and my mo Eddie April. Mami na me hon kwaja abo from krato me ba ya de dwumadi en ebehyehyɛ so enko bebia. Journey the journey. Ya kwaje enkrato aba oguso ahwe the Journey ewo Adom TV and me ni nua bema bi oya ndwuntini I mean say because what in nyom na keche wonyom like why nyoma eti ene de ye beda na di ewo the Journey TV show so ama wo hu say nyom na wote ye no ye nua bema ene de bae eti ene me ne betwetwe nkomo jebre na yenkasa Tee Tonie.
Yes my
sister. Ye mo kwa aba eba the Journey TV show so yeah, tete se wabobo nyom bebre me ametie bi the one that you did with Keche no me de pa and before you be start enkomotwetwe no me pese ye tiefo ne yahwefo any we are seeing na ehwe Adom TV at the moment omuntie o voice and omun Tee Tonie say Tee Tonie over Belgium which in mo ankasa antifa yenko.
Oh yes, the one with the Keche I drop about 5 singers now.
Oh,
and the crowd make it I drop a song of a woman. Just yeah, especially for women.
Oh, good.
Just to hip hop them and thank God for their life. See this one is a woman for, but the one I dropped last time December the month with the Kechano, yeah, title is No Yawa.
No Yawa.
Yes, we come out with a quality clip all outside there. While I have a check in Jawan.
Okay.
See,
if I am for No Yawa no.
Yeah, I'll say.
They
They say holy mamata, Nobody go carry you with day and lying up. Ye pesi kako he busia. Rap no say. Me bu chum shi me for ne chill. One home here man pa one home. What here near there me bu chum. What she me chilla me na mo no. I was in the queue, Miss Lion moon. Can wood the modum. Still 20 with the superstar sketch. Couple no we say as you know. It's my time. You know about this time. I check and appear with my time. Western Central Region food, you know, Biatium. No, yawa. That's right. No yawa is a term that maybe a positive. No yawa.
Okay. I didn't inspire you for you to be a musician.
One, Miss One on them poppy or be a one, only be was summer. Oh, your malachi.
So the new name Kutia.
That's somehow. And those old timers in general. Yes, the young be go far, okay. See, man, the day young go fire and pay one some, but on your fight. But you see, and you know, I was grown up with them. I remember Mrs. Timinim, so I like music.
Wow.
And I keep writing. So I see, say, oh, you make talent. So somebody yeah.
Would be a fan was a winning Ghana. Even here, no cross, so pursue what's open.
Maybe that's right. Okay. I have a lot of songs that me a long time, but I say joking.
So, true, Nina, not catch the end in a year future like a huge amount. And our other artists are only on.
Oh yes.
Okay.
See, before long, but you started a natural, but maybe cinema as a seriousness now. Let me say, I guess 3 years now. I mean, 2018, 2 years now.
Okay.
Yes, I can't in Zambia back way back now, long time ago. Every time I like to say this, my blood or blood for ne TikTok over the campono. I was young, about 16, 17. You were guest artist for Antwerp.
Okay. Okay.
On stage, we went on stage with them long time ago. You just imagine 20 years ago.
Okay.
But I say joke in the be, we don't take it serious.
Yeah, not taking it serious.
Me who say I time to be more than a baby. In the chapel crampona, my brother will know. I have a lot of songs in it. Gospel.
Oh, that's good. And you are in Europe, near him say a hasono, eba media near mana, and you're easy compared to Ghana.
Yeah.
So, how do you cope with it? Being a musician here, a Juma and young BPR saying
and easy. That is the reason why I'm Ghana 7% making or be over manage me, mama.
Okay.
So right now, so I'm talking to this my bro here. About fun ways and means not help my because they be on the Juma like me had time in postings. Yes.
And some make also I would do to Abontine any perfect.
That's right.
Yeah.
See, this recent I'm gonna check here music, but before the many guy be of the central region, two guys be from Bogan Wednesday. Many drop a song be from the last.
Okay.
That was 2013, somewhere September, October.
Oh, okay.
And along the way now, yeah.
And I catch the anyway 2014, November.
That's right.
Oh,
so along the way, but after that one, you drop one busy and other guy from a couple Nazi.
Okay.
And so popular people not see him say engineer.
Okay.
Then me drop a second one. Then me I'm drop another one from my bachelor last year.
Yeah, but Europe has say fire for a brabum or Ghana, Brebe na Obaha, Obaya, Dina, we yen for a brabo contour no Mokakra.
Oh, remember Europe actually. That will make me very young. It's the age of I think 17 something.
Oh, okay.
It's still over 20 years.
Oh,
I can say I'm not here than Africa.
Okay. Now, how many times have you been to Ghana? With your how many years now? What's in
Yes, 5 times.
Oh, I had
Yeah, I'm not on 5 times.
Okay. Okay. I wanted to say what Europe.
It's not easy. Beginning is not easy. Just the asset 20, everything's fine. But uneasy. But not for baby be I won't go far. I'm gonna struggle. I won't say.
Struggle. Person won't find fame because any probably energy out of phone you'll be a obu or better on Japadie or so person brought Europe now. Obu how stopping the car on stop it. And it would the end from no suits here. Obe say Europe and yet mobana mo ya boga sana and your bokosa. It takes a lot to get where you are and but your fine fame.
To me no say obi born or no be Europe that person no I prepare a greener passer for you already.
Okay.
It's any different. But here the young say be as a hostless no, I don't know top no. Now sa hostless and so we a hostler no about make sure say we small money be or
down kakra at least for 3 months.
Yeah, simple check be $25 or what something like that. But be all baha I say in time you buy you just come like that without anything.
But hustle.
Just no be no so small be no ball and easy. Some of them we came the new now we were sleeping outside.
Wow.
Oh yes, I remember I said make some people. I remember when I came to Holland, that was the first place in my bay. It was winter time, December, very cold.
Oh.
Now, if Rotterdam, now make call, many baby won't cry. So I was walking. It's like, oh yeah, Assembly Mecca, and easy, Mister.
Wow.
And I watched them. Intim kesha obi ni front door bi o say hide myself because me want ya to carpet bi go na me keshem. I was then I hear some noise. Most sorry no say you just some crane bi pese be fagu container man who say I say border. Je be fagu who say sa crane na ina de fa
nyama border okay.
Ekugo nti my fast and chomo family here keshem.
Oh wow.
It's a serious no. Nti bi o say ya me bo na master na se me describe o say bi me no wan fan ya who say me kesa nyama na I will forgive you see. Egyptian, very deep.
It's a lot here.
Meba hano.
Were you depressed? We depression by man.
A lot of
for a setting in.
Like I said,
how is it like?
So one banner saying you been on over here. You don't know what to do, what to go.
Oh, wow.
Like I was saying.
Wow.
From Rotterdam, I don't know where I'm going. I know I'm in Holland, but where I'm going, I don't know. So I have to looking for blacks being then with the. I wanna and you'll be on the wash drugs in because I saw
I was so did you survive?
So me Ghana and me side, my hand best I am.
Oh wow.
Yes, I have to push for somebody. I have to be in a big house. When I say big house, is to prison. All these things, see.
Wow.
A lot of things. Ni akopanya ya do am sisi wa say masisi no. Yen passport ya be.
But yeah, they say the more you start to we juma. We did the obedi nom the
I have a wife and a case.
I'm the way now was sour hono class life no live you and kasa.
Right now we are though we are blessed, but we are all equal like this Europeans because yeah, you vote you be yeah. Yeah, it means I court, you can blow.
Oh, wow.
And see, when I've been no Abena, sometimes I say, I don't know how condition goes, but I still respect no boy. But you're not young, you're funny.
Oh, funny.
Yeah, funny.
I can see that.
Yeah.
You can say Europe, na nipa bebre, funny says he can't essence because Luciani wa brutura or can ya was so the one farmers ultimately we are prepared. How is the system here? As a brabona mutimu wa hanokrati sayankasa because when some of us here badia we privileged to see whatever is happening but no bianti obia oti o sen na mo live in the krati en wa hasikano essence enua so amotiti ana sen
anti democrat master anti democrat obi pedo to kwana it's good to travel that make no
yeah
man for you from me answer question say si ja men make na it kwana say nka na o say wo call ebia mosque obi en kofu bi o ebia mo business a on pese wo adwuma nti they can help you with their paper to
so said dia baby a wo bia o say ho na wo ko so wo kwan okay
christian na ba modern na bo chapel because in kofu bi o yeah o mo business nti wo say o mo adwuma nti butu I'm more papers now. They say connection me now. But if I just walk in the street, I want to be a visa, but one for the drugs or whatever. Sometimes it's very hard. This year, it's very hard. Before, no, easy. But this year, it's very deep. What you want? Yes. And see, this is a small advice. Me say on you. Yes, so much. Juma yeke me age night. Every time I wake up and left my wife and children and me could Juma on there on ye mo work on me Juma say nkwala na de bibi nia.
But one course when you
I work with my power so work sometime no e be fi e ke sheka ma ko Juma kwa with the coldness. Is ye ko summertime nti I different. Coldness no sometimes so there if Juma so baza early in the morning no winter no nti snow na no a lot of things nti one first advantage is situation you good, system you good, and see you how be a
yeah.
And then one first advantage, and the company is only cut here. And see, aha, blabon and from crack.
Oh, you're quite your phone to member. And the Kagana.
See, I was celebrating one of my brother last time. I had one to even to spend 100 euros a day or 50 euros. No, I had.
That's a lot.
But Africa, last time I was in Africa, Mr. Son gets a 10,000 CD, which is a 600 euros. That's makes sense club to now.
Yeah, they risk.
Hey, too much. I got your brain no.
I risk.
But I have no honestly no. 50 euro on it. What happens?
That's the thing.
A day, maybe 5 euros or 10 euros.
And your man oh honey bibi abo de nti unya sesa ya na scanasa.
But sir, in Kofu Kampon appreciate your mother. See.
Wow.
Which is nti scan on the from cla. On the from nti me mo bia mo nyon so no ho dey onye easy. No one payment I had.
Oh, you had. Okay. Tee Tonie, and na mati wana no se abrocha setena na enye easy cry. Me twa me ho akwaji aboafo nkrato. Me ba ye beto so enko bebia. Journey the journey. ya koji nkrato aba oguso a ehwedi Jenny e wo Adom TV so na me kayo se season we there ye shoot all the way from Belgium and ye ni Ghana for ye nuanom e wo ho etwetwe enkomo ntimi strafe na wajibre atsenase na ye ba abetwetwe enkomo Tee Tonie.
Yes.
Before ye ko na ye kasa fabric asset na ho me ye hu se enye easy kra na so say no ye mbra enwomonum.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm back to what you are doing.
Thank you.
Na enwomono se bia wo show bi na say e wo se wo ko ejuma so asen e na woti ebefa no.
Yeah, and most of the time the shows in the weekends.
Weekends, when you ejuma weekends. Okay.
Weekends, yeah.
Okay.
Anytime I'm ready.
You're
Since I'm not my Yabe citizen, since whether US, UK, Australia, Japan, anywhere we are free to move. And so BBR person connect me biano. You are welcome.
You are welcome. Yes. Okay.
Here in Europe, no, you can just connect to Nox TV.
Nox TV.
He's gonna let me know.
Yembre mu abocha ware ekosen. Why nyum to ni osan ye adwuma ni a uja wo yire na wo ma ho ya na etete nsem bebre fa yemfa mu kakra etesen.
I'm not my wife the I black but don't figure
black bon figure. Oh, I don't know ya mo yesa.
No. Time na baby environment mo be ben mo no na so be sister so.
Ba na yetete se mo ware foreigners no de jikrata I am.
Me I'm not my beside.
Unya krata nsa
unya. Me no me ba mangasa mo da ejudi na de no sa anya.
Okay.
Ani kram na ye den se me ho my wife na e wona wa ha se. Na me ne won kwala tu no na through that na papers
na ba.
Sata me bi se and when they did you first, but I said we get to be. Yeah. Crying be more says my son check.
You can't say we did drug trip, but be here. Okay, said drug instead drugs. And teach them.
Oh, sorry. I say, I say, I say, salam. I say,
salam.
Obi an kan do so as in cover kan do.
We hear more buying the whole. And I'm can say we did drug. Good.
To me can cover kan so Obi an kan do. Yeah, be some stay. How are you going to manage to do it?
Okay.
You see, me my wife no, e wona ha say.
Okay.
No, my man papa fi Congo.
Oh, okay.
But, yeah.
Until you're African.
Yes, Africans. I say Black European, yeah.
Ah, okay.
And then me lucky at me, and the
so kakra.
Yes, she has helped me a lot. Though, me na me ejuma, Jawa. Nonsense, so I want to. But beginning, no, I did not help my time. Oh, and easy, Jawa. It depend. Me, I can say before God and man say, yeah, me your papa. I'm like James Bond, man. Yes, when the audio bemo no yanchiri did you make anybody it's a quick one. Yanko back to a human about body shay anymore. Okay. I fire from took a crime. So that song said that man without woman we cry oh my God. No woman, no love, no life. Man without woman we cry mama. No woman, no love, no life. Young Como, obi how it's your person with a full song no. And he found Abena. Do you have Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube? And he found among Timmy and streaming. But your Instagram, yeah, Tee Tonie. Okay. T-E-E. That's a T. Tonie is a T. Yeah, T-O-N-Y. T-O no T. And my red branding T-O-N-I-E. Oh, okay. But still Baba. Yeah. And Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, the same Tee Tonie. Okay. But only YouTube is a Tee Tonie official. Tee Tonie official. Yes. And then any platform on Betty streaming. Oh yeah, everywhere. Everywhere. But Tee Tonie on Sabaka no yawa with a feature catcher whatever. Okay. Okay, sure. Enche ye did you madi any query but before no obi wo or when you swadi who is a person tonjum. But oh yeah, the for so advice be na de be mani pana na nkwanshe ben. Yes, you know African from gotten as saying a bed 35, 40 now, I say your dream is over. Over, yeah. See, today, El Kuj is over 60 years or something. He's still singing. Yes. Do they dread them so? Okay. Football, basketball, Messi will now do their 35. Go back to Ghana. Lumba is still working. They may say that this senior master. Yeah. Match the day. This is the people that we thank God that they are instead of Kofintine, KK for Suna. Yeah. Koblan, and we thank God for their life. Okay. But in Kano, I say, I say, I be ODB. No. And see, me, I always look into these people in the US, you know. Okay. Yes, any age you can do it. Okay. And whatever you want to do it, keep doing. So with seriousness, you can. Yeah, that's so by answer now, Bekono. Thank you. Ube yiba kuwa hase ya maye. Come on. I don't know. I know the many minty. And then the winning. Okay. Not for one seven, not Rob, but not for fun. Baby, where you back, Quincy? I think say you two. So we over for the. Oh, first no. So first no. Okay.
Mami share actually a woman. Okay, so okay, what makes you happy?
Bible.
Bible. Oh,
Word of God.
Word
Anytime
of God.
I open it, whatever takes me inside, I see say that's my happiness.
That's your happiness.
And if you are my wife and a kiss.
And the kids.
Yes, and my family as a whole.
See, yeah, that's the pass over. Yeah, by now, can see a demo hampers, Bremo. Someone in kilos, no. It is sponsors in your man and to me. I'm a bad. A mamre was shown since I was saying, yeah, this is a flower for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming.
Glory.
You see this one?
Oh, yes.
You see, so we are there.
Ghanaian.
We are Ghanaian. And then we have a beautiful frame for you.
Beautiful. Wow.
It's okay now. They are both here. Come. Yeah, that's it. Oh, bye. Thank you so much, Tina. Me Enshrow.
Can I say last thing or something?
Yes, please. You can. Not yeah. Fabi be umbrella.
See, I mean, so we be allowed the journey. Keep on watching and following. Okay. Yes, sister, as a papa from Ghana to here to do all these things. It's not easy. And but your Ghana for no, I'm fun to everybody. Every star, Ghana stars, when you are 70, followers in your one, some people must follow my. And when I become big like other ones, it's part of you too. I mean, sure, but that's it.
Yeah, that will be BRC. So, Jibre, it's not see my heard the Jenny TV show. This season, as me catch you, chatty all the way from Belgium. And you man, the Ghana for Belgium, and Como. But as I said, I was not say, as Sidan Coma, what for you now? Some sin and I watch you be a meeting me, Eddie Jumadi, bro. Now, made that Knox TV for us, because I'm more, and then I'm almost a yeti me a tradi. Come, what if you are Oshe? I feel Kunama Entertainment with a Doom TV. And the sponsors Nina, Yami Insha. What the Biaso, what's Nasi now, Jumadi, Yami Insha, Pa, Asembako, and a Debia Micatro, Missing Yami Woma, a ye midi at the Abena Ghana, Abuno for a good year, breakum this year, my crowd. That's a ne, yes, I in share. Number one, Yama be ready, bro. Bye. The journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey.